Hi, in this session we will discuss how to add two real numbers. So if I have real numbers, how to do additions. So while talking about the real numbers, you can have positive numbers as well as the negative numbers. So there are three cases when you are going to add two real numbers. So the first case is two numbers are positive. When two numbers are positive, then sum two numbers and give positive sign. Okay, when there are two numbers and both numbers are positive numbers, then add the two numbers and give positive sign. So first case example, if I am having 5, okay, plus 2. I am having 5 plus 2. So my two numbers are positive numbers here. So my two numbers are positive. So because if there is no sign means that is this is positive. There is no sign means this is positive. So my first case what I have to do, sum the two numbers and give positive sign. So 5 plus 2 which is 7 and give positive sign which is plus. This is the first case. Now for the second case, when one number is positive and the other is negative. So I have 5 which is the positive number and I am going to add it to a negative number of 2. Now what I have to do, what the definition says, do minus the numbers and give bigger number sign. So just do the difference of 5 and 2. 5 and 2 difference or minus is 3. And give the bigger number sign. So which is the bigger, 5 or 2? 5. What is the sign that 5 is having? Plus. So the result will have plus sign. We'll take another example for the second case. So I'm having here number 4 which is positive plus and I'm having minus 5. I'm adding one positive number and one negative number. Now when you are adding one positive and one negative, what you have to do as per the second case, just do minus. So 5 and minus 4 and minus 5 is 1. The difference of 5 and 4 is 1. And give the bigger number sign. What is the bigger number? 4 or 5? 5. What is the sign that 5 is having? Minus. So answer is minus 1. Now I'll coming to the third case. So what is the third case? If both numbers are negative. When you have both numbers negative. So minus 5 I am adding with minus 2. So what is the result? What you have to do? Sum the two numbers and give negative sign. So what is the addition of 5 and 2? Addition of 5 and 2 is 7. But what sign we have to give? The negative sign. Right? So while we are adding two real numbers, we will be having three cases. One is when both are positive numbers, you give positive sign and add 2. When in both one number is positive, one number is negative, apply negative or do minus and give the bigger number signature or the bigger number sign. When you are having both are negative numbers, when adding, just add both numbers and give negative sign. Okay, this is the real number addition.